Okay guys, so the next print is another way of me showing you how to style printed shawl, okay? Because this print has a border around it. So, you know, I love shawls that have borders because it gives you like a resemblance of you wearing a headband, okay? So, let's see. Maybe you could do a very neat look this time around. So, just two sides equal, okay? So the thing about a couple of these shawls that I really like is that you can see how easy it is to style. Like the material is so easy to use. It doesn't budge. Like it's not hot as well. So yeah, a couple of these shawls are amazing. See, it looks like you're wearing like an additional hairband. Okay, can do whatever you like here. It's my usual style. I would probably like just leave it like that if you want to feature more of the print, or you can make it really neat and just emphasize more on the border. You can see the print at the back. Okay, so borders up. I'm just gonna tie it and put the border around my neckline like so. But at the back you can still feature the print. Oh, I really like this one. Okay, so for this I have two more other colors. It's like a bluish teal color. Oh, the border here is very nice. I like this. And also another one is in green. Okay, thank you all for okay, thank you for watching. Bye.